We're continuing right where we left off in the last video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the courses in my second term, which is term 1B. The order in which I'll talk about the courses will be similar to the format I followed in my first video, which is ranked from highest difficulty to the least difficult course. So let's get started. So I had a total of 6 courses in my 1B term, but it was definitely not just 6 courses because we had labs in 3 of these courses. Okay, so starting with EC 106, Electricity and Magnetism. If you found EC 105 difficult, this is the next level. This course covers a lot of ground, from electric fields, magnetic fields, and circuits to Maxwell's equations. The labs are extremely crucial for this course and can really save your grade. Focus on them and practice a lot. EC 108, Discrete Math and Logic 1. This course delves into truth tables, proofs, graph theory, set theory, and combinatorics. It's pretty abstract and was definitely very challenging, especially since we were the first batch with a new curriculum. So we had no past papers, no YouTube tutorials, no help, basically at all. Then there's EC 140, Linear Circuits. This course focuses on circuit analysis with topics like Kirchhoff's current law, Kirchhoff's voltage law, op-amps, and first-order circuits. This course is pretty systematic, but the exams can throw some complex circuits your way. The labs in this course, even though they were challenging, they really helped me understand the concepts because I had never worked with circuits ever in my life. EC 124, Digital Circuits and Systems. This was definitely one of my favorite courses this term. In terms of the content, we learned about logic gates, flip-flops, and how a computer works from the inside out. The worst part about this course were the labs. The labs were intense and could make you cry, but they also brought us together as a team. This course really gives you a deeper appreciation of how a computer actually works and the work that is put into making a very efficient computer. Math 119, Calculus 2 for Engineering. This course is a continuation of Math 117, diving into multivariable calculus and Taylor series. It's challenging but manageable with consistent practice. It had a lot of parallels with Math 117. So while our professors were teaching us this course, they used to refer back to the Math 117 concepts to help us understand these concepts in a better way. We tackled partial derivatives, multiple integrals, and even some vector calculus. This course again had weekly tutorial quizzes like Math 117 and 115 in Term 1A. Finally, there's EC 192, Engineering Economics and Impact on Society. This course is basically about understanding the time value of money, different types of compound interest, and their applications specifically in engineering projects. It's considered a bird course, so just keep up with the readings, prepare for quizzes, and you should be set for the final. It's a nice break from the more intense technical courses. And that's it for my first year courses. I have some points written down which I wanted to let you know before you start your first year. Firstly, remember to reset your expectations. Probably if you got accepted into computer engineering at the University of Waterloo, you were one of the, if not the highest scoring student all throughout high school in your class. But there's a slight probability that at Waterloo Engineering your grades might drop a tad bit below what you were expecting. So don't be scared, it happens to most students. Second, don't compare your grades with students in other majors. I am planning to make a couple more helpful videos for you guys. So do let me know in the comments if you need videos on a specific topic. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.